Want to avoid traffic jams and find the fastest route? Google Maps can show live traffic conditions in real time. Before you start driving, check road conditions with a simple Google Maps feature. Here's how to enable live traffic updates on Android. Step 1. Open the Google Maps app on your Android phone. Make sure your internet connection is turned on. Step 2. Wait for the map to load completely. Live traffic data updates automatically while you're online. Step 3. Tap the layers icon in the top right corner. It looks like stacked squares or diamonds. Step 4. A menu with map options will appear on the screen. Look for the Map Details section. Step 5. Tap Traffic to enable the traffic layer. Google Maps will instantly display current road conditions. Before we continue, subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more useful Google Maps tips and Android tutorials. Step 6. Check the colored lines shown on roads. These colors indicate traffic flow in real time. Step 7. Green roads indicate smooth traffic with no major delays. These routes are usually the fastest to travel. Step 8. Orange roads show moderate traffic congestion. You may experience slight delays in these areas. Step 9. Red and dark red roads indicate heavy traffic or stop-and-go conditions. Consider alternative routes to save time. Step 10. To turn off traffic view, tap the layers icon again and deselect traffic. Your map will return to the standard view. Found this guide helpful? Like, share, and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more smart and easy-to-follow tech tutorials.